Tom the rich boy's birthday this year is unlike any other, thanks to his dad's decision to give him a gift full of surprises and challenges. An old, filthy, and smelly Subaru. This car has been abandoned in the family's barn for 7 years, becoming the home for over 100 generations of mice. When Tom sees the car, he mumbles, "Is Dad giving me a car or a mobile mouse poop warehouse?" Luckily for Tom, he recently befriends the owner of a nearby garage, John the Washer. With car washing experience since he is 12, John agrees to help Tom restore this car. Surprisingly, the car starts up just fine after getting some electricity and fuel, even though it has been in the barn for years. The engine roars to life like a beast waking up from a long slumber. John drives it back to his garage, ready to embark on the smelly, challenging task of cleaning it up. John identifies it as a Subaru WRX Bugeye, a model known for its distinctive round headlights and sporty design, beloved by many. The first step in this restoration journey is to remove all the wheels from the Subaru WRX Bugeye. John enthusiastically unscrews each wheel nut, and in no time, all 4 wheels are off the car. He sets them aside to prepare for cleaning. John begins cleaning the wheels with water and a specialized cleaning solution, scrubbing every nook and cranny with a brush to remove all the dirt and debris. He then uses sandpaper and alcohol to smooth out the rough paint, ensuring the wheels are perfectly smooth before applying a primer coat, which helps the new paint adhere better and look more even. With the wheels cleaned and primed, John moves on to the next step, pressure washing the entire car. He uses a high-pressure hose to blast away the caked-on dirt and mud from the undercarriage and the car's surface. John doesn't just clean the exterior, he also sprays water into the wheel wells, door crevices, mirrors, and other hard-to-reach areas to ensure every nook and cranny is spotless. This job is like performing surgery. John pays special attention to the gas cap area, a spot often overlooked during car washes. Next up is cleaning the engine bay, a daunting task for which John enlists the help of his trusted colleague, Alex. They remove the battery to ensure safety, then scrub the engine bay with brushes, focusing on the smallest details. The engine bay is a mess of grease and mouse droppings. Discovering a heap of mouse droppings accumulated over the years makes John nauseous. Resorting to gas masks and gloves, they tackle the nasty job. The overpowering stench forces them to take frequent breaks to catch their breath. After ensuring no mouse droppings are left, they use special cleaning solutions to remove stubborn grease and dirt, making the engine bay clean and shiny. The engine slowly reveals its original beauty, leaving John in awe. John returns to the wheels to apply a second coat of primer after inspecting each one to ensure the first coat has dried completely. He then sprays the second coat, which not only adds durability to the wheel surfaces but also enhances their aesthetics, making the wheels look fresh and shiny. After finishing the wheel priming, John goes back to washing the car, removing small exterior parts to clean the areas underneath thoroughly. John continues by covering the entire car with soap and wiping it down with a soft cloth. He and his colleague work in perfect harmony like Batman and Robin, ensuring no dirt is left behind. After thoroughly soaping and wiping down the car, they use the pressure hose to rinse off all the soap, leaving the car's surface gleaming. Although the job takes a lot of time, it is satisfying to see the car's hidden beauty gradually emerge. They meticulously clean every small detail, from the door crevices to the wheel wells, ensuring every corner is spotless. The headlights are foggy after years of use, so John decides to refresh them by lightly sanding the surface with sandpaper, then cleaning the lights with a rotating brush and polishing them with a buffer. The result is clear, bright headlights that significantly improve the car's appearance. He also applies a special protective layer to the headlights to keep them shiny for a long time. For the interior, John faces the challenge of dealing with the awful smell and large chunks of mouse droppings inside and under the seats. The inside of the car feels like a mausoleum of odors. As he vacuums layer after layer of stuck-on droppings from the door panels, I am sure John is thinking this is the strangest birthday gift ever. He continues vacuuming the car floor with a high-powered vacuum to suck up all the dirt and small debris, making the car's interior airy and clean, ensuring no dirt or trash is left behind. John pays special attention to the car mats, removing them and taking them outside to rinse with water and clean with a rotating brush. This job is time-consuming, but brings remarkable results, making the mats clean and fresh. With the second coat of primer on the wheels completely dry, John moves on to spraying them with glossy black paint. He carefully ensures the paint is evenly applied, creating a fresh and shiny appearance for the wheels. Not stopping there, John also paints the wiper blades, making them match the overall look of the car. He even uses a special protective layer to prevent the paint from chipping or fading. The car seats are soaked in mouse urine, but this doesn't deter John. He starts by blowing off the dust, vacuuming, and covering the seats with soap. Then he uses a steam cleaner to thoroughly clean the seats, ensuring all odors and stains are completely removed. This task requires patience and skill, but in the end, the seats are clean and fragrant. John continues to carefully clean the remaining interior parts like the doors, steering wheel, and dashboard. He meticulously wipes down every detail, ensuring no corner is left untouched. He then uses special cleaning and protective solutions for the plastic and leather surfaces, making them not only clean, but also protected from environmental damage. The surfaces become shiny and new, giving the car a transformed feel. To remove an old sticker stuck on the car, John uses a steam machine and a utility knife to gently scrape it off without damaging the surface. The car's exhaust pipe also needs refreshing, so John uses aluminum brushes to clean every small detail of the exhaust pipe, ensuring no dirt is left behind. This job requires meticulousness and care, but the end result is worth it, as the exhaust pipe becomes shiny and new. After polishing the entire car, John begins reassembling all the parts back into their original positions. They reinstall the wheels, small parts, and seats with care and precision, making the car look brand new. From checking the bolts and connecting parts to the small decorative details, everything is meticulously attended to, ensuring the highest quality. To ensure the car no longer has any unpleasant odors, John places an odor eliminator inside the car. The odor eliminator completely removes unwanted smells and kills bacteria, leaving the car's interior fragrant and pleasant. Finally, after all the meticulous and laborious steps, John confidently calls Tom to the garage to admire the result. Tom is astonished by the complete transformation of the car, from a filthy mouse apartment to a brand new car fresh out of the showroom. He sits in the driver's seat, starts the car, and feels the significant difference. Equipped with a 2.0L turbocharged engine, this car is known for its strong acceleration and superior performance. Now, after the painstaking restoration process, the car is back to its original power. Tom takes the car for a test drive around the farm, feeling the smooth engine sound and the stability of Subaru's famous all-wheel drive system. John sits beside him, smiling with satisfaction at the fantastic result of his hard work. The Subaru WRX Bugeye is not only shiny like new, but also performs powerfully, ready for new adventures.